Morning, guys. I'm about to make me some hush puppies for my beer battered fish. So in here I have a little cornmeal, a little all-purpose flour, a touch of salt, a little black pepper, a little garlic. I put a little pineapple pepper. We're gonna put some chopped onions in there. We're gonna do an egg and some milk, and we're gonna mix this all up, and we're gonna make some hush puppies. Okay, I'm gonna make some hush puppies, and you don't want your batter to be really soupy. You want it to kind of be thick so that it can hold its shape. You don't add a lot of the milk. All right, my air fryer is going. That's too soupy. Got to add a little bit more of the cornmeal. You don't want it soupy. You want it to be able, when you put it in there, it's to be able to kind of like hold its shape, like thick consistency, not soupy. So we're gonna that's still a little too soupy. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome morning. We're going to fry some fish, make some hush puppies, and everything is going to be great. I'm going to put a little bit more of my pineapple pepper in here. So I have that pineapple and taste with the onions. Okay, I think I got the consistency now. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, that's the consistency I want. So the key to this is we don't want the hush puppy to stick to our spoon. So when we put it in there, we want it to be able to come right off. Okay, so it's coming right off. Once I get that grease heated up to the right temperature, then we'll be ready to make them. I'm going to use the ice cream scooper. But we got the grease heating up. So once the grease gets to the temperature that I need, we can start the frying. It's not there yet. All right. Hey guys, so this is what I'm having today. I have my catfish, I have my shrimp, I have my fries, my homemade tartar sauce, and my hush puppies. So this is I love cooking it with the beer batter. So later on today when I cook the order for my friend, if you guys want me to show y'all how, then I will do it. I didn't make any tartar sauce, but just listen to the crunch. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Now I'm in Long John Silver. Hot. Taste a piece, excuse me, of fish. I like to take a picture of my food before I eat it. Well, forget it. I already didn't start it. That is so delicious. That's my cooked onion. Pretty good. Taste the hush puppy. Very good. The pineapple pepper, I can taste in the hush puppy. So thank you guys so much. Sorry to talk with my mouth full. I want to show you guys how it came out. I'll see you guys later. Mm.